So we are given the equation y equals to 3x squared plus 30x plus 72. So they want us to find the parabola's vertex. So basically what happens is, I'm teaching you today is a different way. So basically what happens is, you take the 2 then multiply it by 3, which would equal to 6x. So y equals to, or actually let's make it a small y, equals to 6x, because there's still x left over. Then plus 30, because there's, if you guys didn't know this, there's actually always a 1 at the end of a number. So like, if it's like 30, it's actually 30 to the power of 1. Then plus 72, which will become 0, because, yeah. So basically you're ending up with this equation right here. So let's go to our next line over here. And then what happened next is we want to find x, so we set y to 0. So 0 equals to 6x plus 30. Plus 30. So then if you subtract 30 from both sides, it will be negative 30 equals to 6x. Then it'll end up being, so you divide it, so it'll be negative 30 divided by 6 equals to x. And you know that that's negative 5. So negative 5 equals to x. So that is our x coordinate, and we can write it right here. It will be minus 5 is x. So, well, we'll write it after. So now we want to find y. So what we want to do is we want to plug it back into the original equation. So y equals to 3x, then you want to put it on the top, squared, and then plus 30x plus 72. So we're ending up with this equation. So sorry for any background noise if you hear any. So basically you want to substitute 5 in. So you end up with y equals to minus 5. So 3, you're multiplying by minus 5. Then you're gonna multiply by squared. So squared, then you stop. Then it'll be plus 30 times negative 5. Negative 5 plus 72. So this is the equation you end up with. It looks pretty daunting, but it's actually not that bad. So what happens next is you go to the next line. So basically here's where your calculator will come in. Well, yeah, calculator, of course. You're not going to do this all by writing. That'll take forever. Well, it is good to write, but then right now it would just take too long. So for the sake of time, I'll pull up a calculator here. Yeah, I'm cheating. So so basically what you want to do is multiply 5 squared. So 5 times 5 is 25. So you end up with positive 25, because negative times negative is positive. So 25 by 3 is 75. So we straight away know that that's 75, and we don't even need to use a calculator for this. So 30 times 5 is negative 150. Negative 150, negative 150. Actually, we don't need a space there, so we'll just take that out. Then adding 72. So 72. So if you want to double check my work, it's 30 by 5. 30 by 5 is 150, so negative 150. Then this one squared is 50 times, this is actually 25 times 3, so 25 times 3 is 75. So yeah, everything's correct. So this is where the actual math, the arithmetic kicks in. So it's 75 minus 150. So 75 minus 150 is, we could make it, so 75 plus 72 is 75. Plus 72 is 147. So then 150 minus 147 is 3. So just to make sure that we're doing it right, let's check it. 150 minus 147 minus 147 equals to 3. So our y coordinate will be positive 3. So, no, actually negative 3. Because, yep. Oh, there. So adding this together, okay, just to check one more time, plus 72 is 147. Since the positive is greater, so the positive is less than negative, so the negative will end up winning over. So it'll be negative 3. So our coordinates will be y equals to negative 3. Y equals to negative 3. So then when we want to write it, they want us to write it in vertex form. So it will be xy. So x always comes first. So minus 5 comma minus 3. So now let's go check our answer over here. So what we got here is minus 5 and minus 3. So let's input it here. Minus 5 and minus 3. And we are correct.